So before we look at the Maths Alive part for the top part of page 70, I want you to pause the video right now, give it a try on your own, and then I'll show you the answer in 2 seconds. So this is the Maths Alive part. Mom buys 3 items in a cafe and get the receipts above. So this is a receipt. This is the little notes that you would get after making purchase, and a receipt shows you the different items that you purchase, and also the quantity. That means the number of items for each individual item that you actually purchase, and then the amounts for the different items. So let's go through the receipt together. For the muffin, $15.70, correct? Hot dog, $16.18. Here, this is the mistake that's on the receipt. It says $80.60, and hot coffee, $32, correct? So the total amount for this receipt would be incorrect as well. So we circle the 2 mistakes here, and the cafe charges Mom $1.80 more, because right now the amount for the hot dog shown on the receipt is actually, the dollar amount is actually larger than the cost for the hot dog. So Mom is actually being charged more right now. By how much more? Then we would take this amount, $18.60 minus $16.80, and here comes $1.80 that Mom was being charged more. Classwork. Once again, I want you to work on the problem on your own. Pause the video, and then I will show you the answer in 2 seconds. So question 1, how much cheaper is the dress on the right? So how much cheaper? That means how much we save with a discount on the dress. So this is the original price, $99.20, and this is the discounted price, the actual price that we are paying right now, $74.80. So for the expression, it would be $99.20 minus $74.80. If we put it in the column form, $99.20 goes on top, $74.80 goes on the bottom. Once again, we work on the cents part first. 2 smaller than 8, so we need to actually borrow 1 from the units place. So 9 becomes 8, and then we have 10 on the tens place for the cents part. So 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 8, we have a 4 down here, and then 8 minus 4 would be a 4. 9 minus 7, we have a 2 here. So the dress is cheaper by $24.40. Question number 2. Gigi paid $60 to buy a stuffed toy which costs $42.60. How much change should she get? So we just work on this kind of problem for question 4 on page 69. So we know that we would take the amount of money that we actually paid minus the price of the item that we purchased, so $42.60. Put it in the column form. So this is the same problem here, 0, 0, 0 up here. So that means we need to actually borrow 1 from the tens place. So after borrowing 1, 6 becomes a 5, and then we have a 10 in the units place for the dollars, and we need to borrow 1. So $1. We have 10 in the tens place for the cents part. So 10 minus 4, we have, 10 minus 6, we have a 4 down here. 9 minus 2, a 7 down here. 5 minus 4, we have a 1. So she should get $17.40 for the change. So the homework for today, it will be PME exercise 5, page 10 to 11. So So for question 1 to 4, I strongly suggest you to refer back to chapter 5 and 6 and then look at the properties for the 4 different quadrilaterals, and then you can draw them on the pinboard. So remember, a square, we have 4 right angles, 4 equal sizes. Rectangle, we have 4 right angles and then 2 pairs of equal opposite sizes. A rhombus, no right angles, but with 4 equal sizes. And also a trapezium, remember the lengths of each pair of this are the same. And then for question 5 and 6, what quadrilaterals can be made by using the sticks in each question? Circle the correct answers. So here we have 4 different sticks of the same length. So that means it can't be rectangles, because for the rectangles there are 2 pairs of equal opposite sizes, but then among the 2 pairs, the lengths, they are not the same. And for question 6, notice here, it cannot be a square because we do not have 4 equal sizes. So I'll leave this on your own for you to figure out. And for page 11, question 7, draw 2 lines in figure 1 to form a rhombus. So this one is straightforward. And number 8, draw 2 lines in figure 2 to form a trapezium with the 2 given straight lines. So this one you should be able to do it on your own. And then for question 9, Susan uses a rubber band to make a trapezium on the pinboard below. Which 4 points should she choose? Write the letters for the answer. So I'm gonna show you an incorrect one here. Notice here, we need to put a test to see if this is a trapezium. Let's say if I pick the line F, C, and E, D, and then I try to draw the two-way arrow, and then the length of this pair are not the same, so this is not a trapezium. But we also need to test the length of the pair of the two-way arrow between line FE and CD, such as something like this. And we know that the lengths of these two, they are not the same. So FEDC, this is not a trapezium, so you have to try another letters. So here for the answer, 1 alphabet on each space here. So that's it for today. I will see you later. Goodbye.